Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today, SGX Nifty was indicating more than 100 point gap down. But in the pre-market, we just opened about 50 points only. But markets were too volatile today. In fact, today morning I mentioned that today there are a lot of good news compared to bad news. US dollar index was down, US 10-year bond yield below 4%, good result from HDFC Bank, and US futures were higher, so that has played out. But however, there was not to forget a good result from HDFC Bank, and however the markets were too volatile in the morning. Look at the Bank Nifty. It went up 300 points, then came down 400 points, then from that low it has shot up nearly 800 points. So Bank Nifty, making more than 1000 point move has become a new normal now. But even Nifty, after opening, it went up, then came down by about 100 points. Then from there, it's just only one-way rally, and there was no selling at all in the late afternoon. A few surprising things. HDFC Bank came out with very good results, but except HDFC Bank and all other banks have shot up, and particularly all the PSU banks have shot up. And PSU Bank index is more than 3% higher, and State Bank of India is also played a very key role, because State Bank of India is the only stock that has a good weightage in Bank Nifty. So that was up more than 3%. In the morning, Reliance was down because there was a hike in windfall tax, but that stock also started recovering towards the end along with the global cues. In the afternoon, European market opened firmly in green. Even the US futures started moving steadily higher. And now on Friday, Dow was down only 400 points, but right now Dow future is more than 300 point higher up. So that means it's hardly 70-80 point lower than Friday. I'm just shooting this video much earlier than the usual time because I'm traveling to Delhi. So because of that, I don't have the FII data, but by looking at the price action, so I think today FII selling may not be very big, and I will not be surprised even if they turn out to be a buyer also. So looking at the open interest, there's a huge addition of open interest at 17,300, 17,200, 17,100 and 17,000. However, there was some slight addition of open interest in the call options from 17,500 to 17,700, but compared to the put option, the addition in the call option was very, very little. So this shows very clearly the people are scared to sell call option, but people dare to sell put option. So going by this, I would say markets have turned bullish, and if you look last time, when Nifty went to 17,350 to 17,380, so that's where the selling came, and there was a significant amount of selling. It fell about 150 points, and then there was a gap down today. So it fell almost nearly about 350 point, 250 point, not 350 point. And now it looks as if most of the losses of Friday afternoon selling, it has been recovered. So it will be interesting to see whether 17,380 will be taken out tomorrow. So if global cues are good, if US markets are good, and there is a possibility we might take out that high. So if that high is taken out, the markets will become even more bullish. But anyway, 17,400 to 17,500, so there will be some resistance. But who knows? Usually the October last 2 weeks is very difficult to predict the market. So far all the corporate results have been good, and the stocks that declared the results have gone up. And who knows? Tomorrow, one company, particularly the index heavyweight, they come out with a bad result, so all those stocks may fall, or come out with a good result, all stocks may go up. So it is very, very difficult to trade short term in the October month. And usually October month is a bullish month, but despite that, so this month we have been trading between 16,800 to 17,500. So we will see how the US market closes today, and tomorrow I'll try to come out with a pre-market report, but I think that should not be a big problem. So I'll be resting in my hotel only because I have some work only in the afternoon in Delhi. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.